and welcome back to my Carolina homestead. My name is Michelle, and today I'm finishing the second part of the Goldenrod series that I started last week. So what I have right now is Goldenrod that I prepared last week by washing it, and I have laid it out on a towel to dry for a whole week. I would just go by periodically every day and turn the Goldenrod stems so that they would be dried evenly. I did not dehydrate them. I just wanted to make sure that they were free of water. So now what I'm doing is chopping the Goldenrod stems up to expose as much surface area as possible into the jar. And what I'm getting ready to make is an infused oil. This will be a Goldenrod infused oil that I'm going to let sit for about 2 to 4 weeks and let the oil extract the medicinal properties from the Goldenrod. And what I'm going to use this for is for joint and muscle pain. So now I have the jar almost filled all the way with the dried Goldenrod, and now I'm just going to cover the Goldenrod with a good quality olive oil. And because this is going to be absorbed into the skin, you want to use a good olive oil. What I plan on doing is letting this oil infuse between 2 and 4 weeks, and I'm going to do a slow infusion. Now, if you want to speed this up, feel free to put this in a double boiler and heat this up for 3 to 5 hours, and that would be a fast infusion. If you are interested in using your Goldenrod oil sooner. But I'm going to do a slow infusion on this, and once this infused oil is ready, I will put up a video for you guys and show you how to make a salve out of this. And this is not just going to be an ordinary salve. I'm going to make a slow acting, deep penetrating salve for joint, muscle, and arthritis pain by adding in some organic castor oil, and that will help the medicinal properties absorb slowly and penetrate deeply into the muscles and in the joints. So I hope you come back and visit me for that video coming up in a few weeks. So now what I'll do is I will just go by and shake this every day until my infusion is complete. Thank you for stopping by my Carolina homestead today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell for more videos coming soon. See you next time, and take care.